Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing outdated drivers in Windows 11 so your computer runs smoother and faster. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most direct way to update a specific piece of hardware is through the Device Manager, which is built right into Windows. Go ahead and move your mouse down to the Start button and right-click on it instead of a normal click. From the menu that pops up, select Device Manager. Once the window opens, look through the list for the component you think is outdated, like display adapters for your graphics card or network adapters for your Wi-Fi. Click the little arrow to expand that section. Right-click on the specific device name and select Update Driver. Choose the first option, Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a better version, it will install it immediately. However, if it says the best drivers are already installed, don't worry, that is common, and it just means we need to try the next method. A lot of people don't realize that Windows 11 hides the most important driver updates inside a special settings menu. Click on your Start button and open the Settings gear icon. On the left sidebar, click on Windows Update. Even if it says you're up to date, I want you to click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and look for a section called Optional Updates. Click on that, and if you see Driver Updates, click to expand it. This is where things like Bluetooth, printer, and audio drivers often hide. Check the boxes for any drivers listed there and click Download and Install. This is actually safer than downloading random files from the internet because Microsoft has tested them. Finally, if you are a gamer or need the absolute latest performance for your graphics card, you should use the manufacturer's official tool. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the GeForce Experience or NVIDIA app on your PC. If you have AMD, open the AMD Software. These apps will notify you of updates that Windows might miss. Simply open the app, click the Drivers tab, and hit Check for Updates to pull the latest version directly from the source. And that's it. Your drivers are now fully updated and optimized. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.